Hello everyone, how are you all doing today? Hello, Sir Jude. Hello, SSCHR. I've decided to attempt to watch. Probably will fail because bad internet. Is there any way for me to watch at a lower resolution? Sometimes Twitch, sometimes Twitch will support transcoding for, affiliates. It's not reliable, so you can't watch it lower res, and it sucks. I also recommend, SCHR15, thank you very much for following. Welcome to the network. Another tip I'd recommend is, going audio only, because I'm trying to be more talkative nowadays. Yeah. How are you all doing? I'm currently really happy because I finally got my medicine back. Yeah, there was some healthcare nonsense that delayed it for weeks, which is really bad. Restream into Fabricom 1. I am not legal, if I do that, I will lose. Yeah, restream to Fabricom 1. I would do that if I was able. However, I have signed an agreement with Twitch that any content I stream on Twitch is exclusive to Twitch for at least 24 hours. So, yeah, I could could restream into Fabricom, or I could keep my fucking affiliate status, which, as that's currently pretty much my only way of making income, I'm keeping that. Hello, Alexa does Twitch, lovely to see you. Yeah. So, tonight we are going to play more on my custom mod pack. I've done a few updates of stuff, added a couple new things. I'll get into it as we're playing. Yeah, today we're going to be doing more with the tech mods I've got, which, I might share some of my thoughts on the state of tech mods in the Minecraft modding community tonight, because I've had some opinion changes recently. But in any case, we should probably get to it, so let's go! Alright. Can this caption thing maybe get set up so I can at least read what's happening? Let me see if I can get it working, because, it's been real finicky. Stream CC. Okay. Alright, I'm logged in. Are you fucking kidding me? I'm on a Chromium browser. Why won't this work? I don't want to have... I don't know about things, but I'll try to still try to watch it 15 FPS or seconds per frame. Yeah. I'm trying to get the stream closed captioning working. I'm so sorry, but I don't want to have to install, in literal fucking Chrome to do this, because I'm using Chromium. It should work just fine, but it literally will not let me do it because the user agent's different, which sucks. I'll have to look into that. Anyway, next time should get some rest. Alright, got a lot of stuff to empty out there too. Is it a download? No, it is a web page. Found the caption option buggy for most folks. Yeah, I wish there was a better stream CC. I don't know how I would do that myself, so I can't make it. Yeah. Okay, so, oh yeah, one of the new mods I've added is titled Landmark. it is an experimental port I'm doing from 1.16.2 to 1.16.5 with all the new dependency versions and such. Wait, is this a chat thing? Is what a chat thing? Yeah, I'm not sure what you're talking about, Alexa. Closed captioning would appear on the stream itself, yeah. Would if it worked, but, yeah, I'll just figure out how to fake my user agently. Just Twitch streaming bits, yeah. Yeah, I will, after stream, figure out how to cheat my user agent to get it to actually work. Apologies, but it's not gonna work now. Guess I'll just listen. Yeah, that works. Yeah, hopefully that'll work for you. I will definitely do everything I can to get it working properly or find an alternate solution. Ooh, Neelok, thank you very much for following. Welcome to the network. Right, so. Just one day we'll get stream options here, yeah. Is there a way for villagers to get out if they're stuck down here? That should do it. Now you can get out safely. Yeah, there. Let me get you user agent extension thing. Ooh, thank you. I will set it up after stream, but yeah. So, Landmark adds, like, titles for areas and such to environments. It's neat. I think I'm gonna mess around with it a bit later once I've dealt with some bugs and such. But for now, I'll be testing it in this world. Okay. Just gonna quickly drop this in here. Ooh, so, today we are dealing with the ore situation. Namely, got a shit ton of them and we need to cook them faster. Pass is being weird. C-Pass. Alright, C-Pass is just gonna be weird for some ins right now, I guess. Oh well. I only know like half these mods, yeah. Admiral Octavius, hello there! Yeah. Yeah, we are going to be using the Fabric modding toolchain for all these mods, because it's the one I'm most familiar with, and it's the one I write mods on. How much iron do I have at the moment? I think first... just gonna make, like, a couple furnaces. If I ever go over... It's right, yeah. Indeed. Yeah. Oh wait, no, that's gonna block off the chest, right? Keep, and... keep. I'll make a, like, actual area for doing all this in later, but for now, just need to get stuff cooked. Yeah. Let's see, so on the agenda today, we are working towards a, that's actually not, yeah, we are working towards a bronze boiler, which is bronze plates and a bronze tank and a furnace and fireplace bricks. That's a lot of bronze. There's 4 here, then 8 here. That's 12. And if I go into REI, large bronze plates are made with 4 bronze plates. each of which is 2 bronze ingots, or in an astromine presser, 1 bronze ingot. And there's just the fact that we need to actually make the bronze as well. If I go over... Oh, bronze... Insert why is audio like 0 delay, but video's 92-minute delay? Video encoding is weird and a nightmare. Just gotta understand that there is no spoon. It's all lies. Video and audio are always separate. Your device just pretends they're not. So, bronze is bronze dust, which you get from bronze tiny dust. Which, if I can hit the astromine one, is 3 copper tiny dust to 1 tin tiny dust. And you get 3. That's... Didn't used to be with analog TV shit, but yeah, like, with digital, it's all fake. Oh. But yeah. Another option for bronze is do 3 in 1 to get 4. Spike in the ceiling, bang. Hello there. Hello, Kenny. Good to see you. Yeah. Bronze is really slow and frustrating to get in modern industrialization, which is why we'll be avoiding modern industrialization as much as possible. It's not a very good mod. Bronze Tiny Dust is the most tech mod item name I've ever heard. Yeah. Just learned there's still analog TV stations in the US and Canada. Yeah. Yeah, so, for folks who don't know, modern industrialization, one of the 2 major tech mods I've gotten here, is effectively a clone of one of the Greg techs. Astromine is basically a clone of thermal expansion with some rockets and such. They're fine, I guess, but they're just, like, no offense to any of the mod devs related to either of the projects. They're fucking boring! They're just rehashes of old mods that weren't even that good in the first place. Tech Reborn's the other Greg Tech clone. Yeah, we're not using Tech Reborn at the moment just because I have... Yeah, it's a clone of IC2 Greg Tech, and I personally don't enjoy it. I've never played with modern industrialization or astromine before. The evil deeds of Gregory Techno... Leah, you were joking, but the handle of the person who made Greg Tech is Gregorius Technicia. Yeah. It is literally Greg Tech. Gregorius, yeah. He's pretentious. He has opinions. Oh my god, yeah, it's wild. Tech Reborn's 156% broken and I love it. Yeah. Tech Reborn is 156% broken, but... And this is gonna be a hot take. It's about maybe 5% fun. I do not like Tech Reborn. I do not like many tech mods, honestly. I've even got, just... I don't like thermal expansion. I don't like industrial foregoing. I don't really even like IC2. I mean, knows nothing about modern Minecraft. Oh, don't worry. No, you don't need to know anything about modern Minecraft. No, 5% funny. Rough. Yeah. Anna, you don't need to know anything about modern Minecraft because it's literally just been the same, 2 or 3 tech mods and clones of them for a decade. What sort of stuff do you like in a tech mod is... The issue... There is only one tech mod I've ever seen that... Yeah. as a rule, all tech mods range, yeah, like, just, as far as I can tell, there is one tech mod I unequivocally enjoy, and were it on Fabric, I would be playing with it right now, because that mod is Create, the best tech mod that's ever been made, because it's the only tech mod that actually gives a shit about being good. Like, I understand, this is a spicy take I am dropping. Are you bored with modern Minecraft versions? I never really got into tech mods when I was younger. Oh, you're implying that this is an issue I only have with modern Minecraft versions. No. Create seems to finally do multi-block structures right, yeah. Just playing dev on Fabric. No, I'm bored of all Minecraft versions. There's nothing like... So I still desire a better airship mod. Yeah, that's all I want. Yeah, better airships and stuff would be great. Yeah, just... ENVTuber modding, yeah. It is possible with Fabric. Yeah, just like, fundamentally... The issue is, like, Minecraft, the thing that sells you on Minecraft is childlike wonder. The ability to just be able to go anywhere, do anything, create whatever you want is so good. I don't even know I'm trying to support dev modding with Fabric, yeah. Just like, Minecraft is fundamentally a game that trades in wonder and joy. And do you know how much wonder and joy is in any tech mod other than fucking Create? None! Like, just... There's nothing, like, just... There's no, oh wow, holy shit factor in any of the fucking mods. Oh, right. Nourishment. Change thing. Like, just... Computer Legos, yeah. Like, just... There's no, like... wonder in, Greg Tech, or, like... awe in Thermal. It's all just... boring. With... like, just... You're making things because the mod tells you to, because you have to get, like, better stuff, like, better equipment. It's not for the sake... It's for the sake of the result, not for the sake of the process. And it's just... it's not good. All tech mods, combat mods are just work. Yeah, except... Yeah, only came close for big reactors. Yeah, there's a wow factor in big reactors, but again, like, that's just an add-on. There's no from the ground up tech mod with a wow factor until Create. And Create is genuinely, like, I have been considering moving back to Forge purely because of Create, and just, they've put so much work into, like, actually designing it, making it interesting. Any thoughts on Zycraft's unreleased stuff? Zycraft... If Zycraft existed, it'd be really cool, but I don't think it would really solve the problem either. Wait, Create's not on Forge? Oh no, Create is on Forge. Create's not on Fabric. Like, just, Create's been making me consider going back to Forge modding just so I can make things that you can use with Create. Yeah. Oh no, yeah. It depends... Create is super advanced and has a lot of, like, really fancy stuff that Forge has built-in support for getting to work, but Fabric doesn't, and it's a shame that Fabric doesn't. And I wish that Fabric did, because that would make it, like, a lot more popular platform. How's the process on Patchwork? Patchwork is vaporware, I'm gonna be entirely honest. It's not... It's just not. I haven't heard any, like, actually develop any... I haven't heard of any actual development on Patchwork in over a year. You don't feel wonder when you combine solar panels into solar arrays to combine into bigger solar arrays and tech it? Ah. God. First, yeah. I just... Cuff lib multi-block cuff. Oh no! Lib multi-block isn't, like... Forge doesn't have, like, a built-in, like, multi-block lib either. The missing thing that, or the thing that Fabric's missing is all the fucking stuff for, like, the moving world sort of thing. Patrick 116 is really low development speed. Only has, like, 2 working Forge mods currently. Yeah. Fundamentally, I'm almost considering, like, just making a, like, just... I honestly feel like it'd be... You're trying to mods, like, stand between 2 semi-trucks going high speed, yeah, like, just... Fundamentally, I feel like... The solution, like, just... Ultimately, what needs to happen is that we need to run Fabric mods on Forge, not the other way around. Left half free time, lemon glitches after shirt goes wobble, yeah. Yes, physics. What wonderful things. Yeah. Just like... That it's not supposed to happen? I mean... I will neither confirm nor deny whether it is an intentional feature or not. Pretty done with Forge after being told to get lost. I'm more interested in ways we could bring things like this to Fabric. Yeah, like... The Create team have said that they are, happy to, yeah, they'd be happy if other folks, they'd be fine with other folks, words. They'd be happy with other people porting Create to Fabric, but they just don't have the dev team to do it themselves. Because it would require basically rewriting it from scratch. Look, now I'm watching it with like 2 loads per second. Yeah, just like... The other, like, one of the other big issues with tech mods is that it's so much waiting. Like, just... Literally... All I can do right now is just, like, sit around and wait for things to exist. Yeah, like... I've gotta wait for stuff to process, things like that. Because I'm just not... high up enough on the tech tier to get faster stuff. It's great that frustration cycle to engage building better tech. Yeah, but like it's a frustration cycle. It's not fun. Like we weren't gonna build better tech anyway. Yeah, like just waiting is a form of gameplay, right? Yeah, like just fucking with Create. Do you want to know what? We need shaders on Fabric. Oh, we do have shaders on Fabric actually. There's a there is a way to get Optifine working, and and there's also Canvas, which has its own shader system that has beautiful shaders. I'm not using it purely because, as with any shader system, it can have issues. Fabric shaders, Canvas, and Lumelights, yeah. the issue is, right now, I am using a beta build of Britannia, and it just currently doesn't work with any shader mod just because of how it does its fancy rendering. I have reported the issue and hopefully it will get patched. Yeah. Just as it is now, Britannia doesn't work with shaders. If it did, we'd have Luma lights on here. Yeah, like just... You wanna know what gets you to, like, create, fancy systems or to make fancy systems in Create? Decorative blocks! There's just so much decoration stuff in Create, and that's the whole point of the mod. Like, let's look at what modern industrialization has. So, once again, giving up on trying to watch the stream. Oh, it's okay. You can watch the VOD later, and hopefully I'll get transcoding another time. So, let's look at, like, what you can actually get out of modern industrialization. Let's go into the book. What is there? So, let's see. You've got a water pump that's just an automatic infinite water source. Woohoo! Infinite resource? Yeah. This, you get an ore generator. Which, woohoo! A well. You get, in the electric rage, you get a mining drill, and a jetpack, and a chainsaw. Doesn't Twitch pick who gets transcoding? Yeah, and I don't get it. Yeah, like just... Literally, what do you get out of modern industrialization right now? You get a quarry, which is only useful for getting more resources for the mod, and you get a jetpack, and a drill, and a chainsaw. What's the point? Suppose some names like Hortontronics or whatever. Yeah. I feel like mods have names that vaguely explain. I like when mods have names that vaguely explain the mod. Yeah. The verified people go first, then everyone under it. Yeah. Ah. Look at, hello there. Nice to see you. Yeah, like just. Fundamentally, what are you playing modern industrialization for? What do you get out of it? Some, like, Oh! Seraphina Noir, thank you very much for the raid. Greetings, I am LMC9EOF, casually known as Lemma. I am a synthetic VTuber who plays games and writes programs. It is lovely to have you all here. Yeah, just like, what are you getting out of modern industrialization? Like, yeah, you get a jetpack, cool. You get a chainsaw, cool. You get a mining drill, cool. You get a quarry, cool. What are you gonna use the quarry for? Why would you need, like, just... If the quarry's the endgame thing to get after you've made everything else in the mod, what are you gonna reuse the resources for? Like, just... What do you... Like, just... You get, like, a ton of ugly-looking metal blocks as decoration? What is fundamentally the point of modern I hate that. Of modern industrialization? Like, at the very least, like, just... At the very fucking least, Tech Reborn has, like, armor and tools and equipment and such. Like, you've got the rocket, you've got exploration and stuff to get more resources. You've got new tools and equipment. You've got, seriously, why would you want to play a tech mod? That's something that so few tech mods actually want to answer. Like, just with Tech Reborn, you get a drill and stuff. You get, like, holographic things, like hollow bridges. I think those are Tech, or I think those are Astromine? I don't remember. Yeah, you get, like, are the guns and shit still in here? The guns were actually genuinely cool. Where the hell are they? Yeah, you get the Gravity Gauntlet, which, there's a fire extinguisher, but I don't think any guns. There were guns previously. Yeah, like just, holographic stuff sounds at least theoretically cool. Yeah, it's like hollow bridges and such. Yeah, like just, you get a Gravity Gauntlet, which uses energy to launch and mobs up into the air. Yeah, hollow bridges are actually mine. Okay. You get, like, Paxels. Woohoo! Yeah. You get the catwalk conveyor stuff. Neat. That was better when it wasn't part of Astromine. And did they just get rid of the guns entirely? I guess so. Oh well, yeah. Yeah. Like, just, what is the point? It's not tech mode, but I like Companion. Yeah, no. Companion is... Look. Companion is a better mod than Astromine and Modern Industrialization. Because it has, like, one, it's really fucking cute and good. I love it. Rough around the edges, but it executes super well. Exactly. Like, the tents and shit are awesome. And it's genuinely so cool. It's got tons of cute and neat stuff in it. It's like, the tents are great. The rope bridges are fucking beautiful. Like, just, literally, the rope bridges are the killer feature of Companion. Serafix, hello, Serafix, lovely to see you. I don't say they're mods you can really directly compare. Yeah, but... I like just... You can't directly compare them, but like... Jumping between streams too many. It's fine, good to have you here. Just like... You can't like directly compare them, but like... Fundamental, like fucking litmus test, like... If, like, if you made Companion stuff cost the same as Modern Industrialization stuff, you'd be getting more of a bang for your buck. And, like, just, that's a issue. Hope you're enjoying your stream hopping. Mondays are busy. Like, just fundamentally, if you ignore the input cost, like, the actual stuff you get to be able to do in Companion is so much more valuable than fucking Modern Industrialization, a major tech mod. It is uniquely fucked. Ooh, Admiral Octavius, thank you very much for following. Welcome to the network. I just... The fact that you can compare the stuff you get between Modern Industrialization and Companion is like a fundamental indictment of how broken modern industrialization is, or like Astromine or whatever. I just cozy vibes determined I will stay. Yay! Just like, look, if I got, like, seriously, if I got a goddamn grappling hook from modern industrialization, the mod would be instantly 10 times as worth it. But no, I have to go to, like, the simple little camping-themed mod from a goddamn mod fest to get something. And that's just, that just makes me sad, honestly. I think we're both basically the same ones, didn't want to drop anything. Yeah, The guess idea is have cooler features? Yeah, like, have cooler features, but, like, fundamentally, make the mod worth using. Like, let's bring up, like, let's, for example, bring up the third tech mod I have in the pack, Botania. Botania is the only one I could consider, like, worth going into. And even then, I have just some disagreements with how it does stuff. Like, let's look. Like, what are the lands? What are the highlands? What are the terra firma? What are the depths? What are the seas? I think this is hard with Lude's music. It is, yeah. Give people something novel and fun to do. What are the skies? Hells, plentiful mantle, molten core, shifting crust. Bifrost, shaded mesa, unstable reservoir. Look. That, right there, is literally just that set of items is worth more than the entire, like, worth more to actual gameplay than the entire tech tree of Astromine and modern industrialization combined. You've got to maximize your fun to busy work quotient. Yeah, like... Here's the thing. I've reduced energies. Yeah, like... Here's my take. Minecraft should not be a game where busy work exists. If there's any sort of busy work in your mod, you have failed as a mod dev. Posture check, I will. Minecraft is about building. Is, like, fundamentally, if building your infrastructure is not fun, what is the point of building it? It's... If your infrastructure just exists for the sake of having infrastructure, then why bother with it? So my mod is called busy work and everyone knows what they're getting into. Yeah, like, just the process of making infrastructure in Create is fun. That should not be revolutionary. And the fact that it is revolutionary is a massive indictment on the state of the Minecraft modding community. The fact that Create has a hand crank to generate energy is hysterical, by the way. Yeah, because, like, that rules? Yeah, because here's the thing. The hand crank is about just as cheap as the watermill, but you have to sit there and use it. It's completely worthless. It's a joke item. Like, just... People always complain about passive power and such in Minecraft mods, and they should, because passive power in its, like, in like, solar panels is shit. Like, luckily I don't have any solar panels in here, but like, passive power in an active power infrastructure is shit and bad and doesn't work. All I want is to be able to tie that to a coffee machine so I can pretend that I have to crank the power for my coffee maker. Yeah. Like, we've got like, fabric users create here, mechanical tech. It is a, frankly, really small mod right now. It adds water wheels and wind sails and hand cranks, which you can then use for like mills and grinders and sawmills and such. I'm gonna pretend the batteries don't exist, because if the batteries don't exist and there's no way to store power, then this is basically the core bit of Create is you have a thing that exists as a source of power. You have things that transmit power, usually in like a somewhat complex way, like you've got to have your like connectors and everything, and you've got a thing that consumes, well, not even consumes, that can be powered. And you're not worrying about like how much power in, like, just, it's non-transactional. Without a battery, like, just hooking it up like this is all you need. Want to be able to tie that to a coffee machine so I can pretend I have to oh, I read that already. Whoops. Yeah, like, just, fundamentally, passive power is really good if you have a non-transactional system. And, assuming that your non-transactional system has effort put into its design so that building the infrastructure is interesting. Glaring at you, extra utilities. To create, other mods have lava-type generators that don't actually consume the lava and make steam. Some do. So, your issue with power storage and PUs is that managing the economics of that is a pain and not particularly fun gameplay? I mean, it theoretically can be, but no Minecraft mods ever manage to actually make it fun. So, like, just, I genuinely can't think of a Minecraft mod with a transactional power system that is fun to use inherently. Like, IC2 gets kinda close by having its, like, voltage system, so you need to, like, think about how you're wiring stuff. But, like, it's a game about building, and if you're not focusing on building your infrastructure and you're just throwing it together, like, what's the point? Rotary craft? Oh, you've just set a fucking activation phrase for cat. Whoops. Rotary craft is the closest non-create mod to that, but it just has so many other problems that get in the way as well. Yeah, like, just, the fact that I can just place a power generator and a smelter right next to each other like this and have it work. Yeah. Remember it had a pretty neat power system. Yeah, it did. It's just everything else about the mod that's an issue. Yeah, like, just, this sort of ad hoc network is what you should try to avoid. It may be simpler, But simpler does not mean more fun. Ah. Yeah, like just... People who design Minecraft mods should learn fucking game theory and not the MatPat bullshit, the actual, like, science. Yeah. Because, like, just, there's so much you could do to make truly incredible Minecraft mods, but people just don't really. And it makes me sad. I read your going live messages. I'm going to live babes. Like Prisoner's Dilemma and shit? Somewhat. Yeah. Like, that is an aspect of game theory, is like, thinking about, like, how people, like, actually, yeah. Like, local program talks with mouthful. Sorry, I ordered dinner at 5, and it took 2 hours to get here because just a lot of shit happened. Yeah, like just, the prisoner's dilemma is about thinking about how people will interact with things. And that's what game theory is. You're making a system for people to interact with and think about. What does program need anyway? I'm not a program. I am a fully functional robot. I have a caloric intake generator as a backup power source, and eating food is fun. Are you trapped? Please don't be trapped. Flesh and blood robot. Oh, for some reason thought your program was, or your son was programmed instead of a robot. Nope, full robot. For me, modding is just, I want something that doesn't exist, so I make it exist or get burned out trying, yeah. That's mainly what I do as well, just like, if you're making a, like, large-scale content mod, you've got to think of, like, you've got to, like, be thinking of the implications of the stuff you add. And not just, like, the items, the, like, mechanics. Where's that golem? I saw him just a minute ago. Not this one. Dude, 4-day cool... Oh, did I? Let me fix that. It's supposed... I tried to reset it. Channel points. Edit. Boop. Boop. Shouldn't be 4-day cooldown, yeah. Oh. Okay, there it is! What would you like, Alicia? There we go. One rework of foods, please, my dear robot. Okay, then. Sounds good. Let me... Oh, where's that fucking golem? Please, buddy, I want to heal you. We make eating fun. Yeah, I think I actually started... Didn't someone request that last... Yeah, someone, I think, requested that, and so I guess it's time for me to do more work on Epicurean. Cough, yeah. There you are, buddy. There. Let's get you out of here, okay? there. Yay! Congratulations, you made it out. Woohoo. Alright, so, I've got 3 weeks, gonna just make, we're not, don't know why farming is the most interesting thing to me in Minecraft, but I really love finding all the crops and growing them. I feel really unrewarded by the fact that most foods are just essentially different levels of fullness and nothing else, yeah. Alright, let's head over to Idea. Yeah. That is definitely an issue. Now, I do have... So, Alicia, yeah, before we go too far, do you want me to, do you want this to be a rework of the existing foods, or thinking cookies could be a very short-term movement speed boost to go how spendable that? Ah, so you're thinking a rework of existing foods. That's fun. Alright, let me pull up, rework of existing foods. Okay. Sounds good. Rolling up my sleeves. Okay. Just a sec. I've got it. We reduce everyone's HP and they have to eat every kind of food to get it back up to par. Right. Okay. Alicia, cooked beef could make you hardy or something? Cake could, I don't know. Yeah. Now, Alicia, here is a question for you. Do you have an idea what you would like this mod to be named? Because, if you do, I can name it that. Yeah. Otherwise, I can probably think up a name. Llama's diverse palette or something? I think diverse palette sounds nice. Bad idea. Feastscapes. Yeah, diverse palette. Alright, so repo is created. Fresh. Let's open this up. File open. There's diverse palette. Are you still cloning? Hello? Here it is. Build Gradle. Open as a project. Now, how the hell am I gonna set this up is the question, so Ah. While this imports, I'm gonna think. And I can edit. Should probably rebrand my GitHub at some point. If I wherever does this be added onto, I would request things like spices or something you can add to your foods while cooking them. That is that is part of another mod I've got, but haven't managed to finish updating, titled Epicurean, which I'm personally decently proud of. Wish it was better, but... Okay. Build successful. Okay, so let me check Minecraft. I'll bump this up to 165 instead. With sauces and seasoning sounds neat, yeah. Alright, so for now, item. So, during the 1.14 update cycle, they changed how food works. Items. So, for example, let's find an apple. It will be given a... so apple gets registered as an apple with new item settings, and here's the thing, it's a plain item that is given a food component. Food components allow you to... words, sorry. Oh. Don't know anything about programming, by the way. I know. I'm just trying to talk through it and explain, also so I can figure out how I want to do it. So, these food components are basically just different variations of, they're groups of settings of how food should work. They'll have hunger, they'll have saturation, they'll have a flag for whether they're meat, so dogs can eat them, whether they're always edible even when they're full, if they're a snack, meaning they'll take half as long to eat, and then the chance of status effects. For example, if you eat rotten flesh, you've got a pretty decent chance of getting the hunger status. Yeah. So... this is where the problem begins. I'm gonna need to replace these somehow. And there are a couple options. I'm back now. Welcome back, Admiral. Yeah. So, I've got some options. One, I could inject over here and just change how they get assigned. I could inject over here and just cook in a replacement initializer for what this is. Yeah, foods with status effects having 100% various percentages on foods is ideal. Yeah. And then there is the bad idea, but the one that I should probably do. Let me, nope. renamed that wrong. Oh no, it's the bad idea. Let me just set this up. So, what I could do is... What does set want again? So, RID, key, entry, and life cycle. I'll do this with Cookie instead. My bad idea is to make Minecraft from scratch with your mod ID in it. So... I'm actually gonna, old item, new item, that I can do. Let's set, read that item, get ID, old item, registry, dot item, dot get key, old item, and new item, life cycle, stable. Excuse me. What are you trying to do? I hate generics. Seriously, what the fuck is going on here? Why don't you have a quick fix? Okay. What the fuck? 1, 2, 3, 4. 1, 2, 3, 4. So that works. Theoretically. Yeah. Seriously, what the? I'm sorry, I don't know why this is happening. Asking as someone who has limited modding experience back in the day, how difficult is the debugging process for writing mods nowadays? It's actually surprisingly easy. Should extend not Minecraft item. What are you? Okay. Oh. Okay. Why was it such a weird fucking... I don't know why Java is so bad at giving that error, but... hydrate, I will, thank you. And let's go back over to food components. Cookie! Oh. This is where we'll put our status effect. So... And let's say... So, how many... gonna say. Yeah, that's 5 seconds speed. There. Now, if I haven't fucked this up somehow, which let me just double check about. Right. Maybe a grilled pork chop could give you haste for a while? Recruit? I'm not sure. Let me just... Oh, no. Let's... Application client. Okay. Hello, Captain. We have got a mod request from Alicia. Let's get this going. Alicia, Flail Morpho. Okay, let's go. Yeah? Oh no. Catton's asking about the mod request. Yeah, Alicia, Flail Morpho got it. Yeah. Okay, so. Let's do the fucking mandatory settings that I have to do every single time I make a new mod. I fucking hate it. So, let's say we have cookies. And this should hopefully run down my fucking hunger. There, now we can try. Yay, that works. Definitely want to like change the effect to be longer so you actually can get something out of it, since you need to stop there, amplifier 1. So now it should give speed 2 for 20 seconds? Yeah, the ski robot back when it was running on Windows 7. Let's... Right. There, now. Oh, this is a lot better. Might lower it to like 10 seconds or something? Yeah, so in my mind you could be getting like 5 seconds, but also forget you couldn't run and eat at the same time. Yeah. If you could, that'd be great, so... Yeah, I think 10 seconds would fit best for this. some run Win98 like just like Nintendo servers. About the Nintendo server thing, it's not that they do run Windows 98. It's just that they've been iterating on the same NetPlay framework for 2 decades, and so they have like operating system checks back from back when you needed those. It's not that they were running on Windows 98, it's that they could have at one point when Windows 98 was the thing to use. Actually, if it's got speed too, I think... Yeah, I feel like 5 seconds is actually the right time for it. Now, Alicia, here's the thing. Should you be able to eat these... Should you be able to eat the redone foods while you're full, so you can still get the buff? So using legacy software on the order of Windows NT, yeah. Well, I mean, it's more comparable to Minecraft. Eat while full would be good, yeah. Yeah, I think the big thing with the Nintendo stuff is like people are assuming that they didn't like tweak or improve their software over those 20 years, which like they obviously would. Hmm. 7.5 seconds. At that point, you're essentially subverting potions, however, if you could eat while you're full. Yeah, but, potions are longer is the big thing, like, just on, like, an order of magnitude longer. And so, like, you don't need to constantly, like, re-dip them like you do with food. Like, you do have that, like, few seconds of of taking to eat. Be interesting to rebalance food to be diverse, low power buffs. Yeah, that's basically go. Hello, Neon Pixel. Good to see you. Okay, 7.5 seconds feels right. Okay. Like suspicious, dude? Kind of. So. Component. What does beef use for its... Right, so cooked beef is 8.8, okay. I request pumpkin pie gets very short-term night vision. Ooh. Like suspicious too? A bit, yeah. So. "10 seconds of resistance sounds good. Settings. Oh, no. Food. Component. Component builder. And food components, pumpkin pie. Where the fuck is it? 8.3F. Status. Oh, cooked rabbit should definitely give you a jump height boost, yeah. So, short-term night vision would be... $200. Alright. I think that will got my Wi-Fi to finally work by just getting my Wi-Fi extender in my line of sight now. Yay! Cooked rabbit. How much do you... Cooked rabbit. Okay, 5.6. Oh, I also forgot to flag beef as meat. Yeah, Mr. Red that is Wi-Fi extender. Puppet 6 working now, hopefully! Cooked rabbit is 5.6. Then I'll give, 5 seconds to jump boosted amplifier 1. Actually, no. They're not really spammable, so yeah, 200. Or actually, no. You can always eat these all over. Should have went with TP-Link and their Powerline Wi-Fi extenders instead of this usable ASUS stuff. That's a shame. Why is my model like losing track so often tonight? I don't know. Alright. So, we've got steak, we've got cooked rabbit, we've got pumpkin pie. Hope that's second wired access point instead of a Wi-Fi repeater. I'm new, don't know if... I've been winking a lot lately tonight. New, don't know if it's more than usual. Yeah, I've been having some weird, like, just IRL, I've been having some weird stuff with my eyes recently, and, like, just, it's not, like, anything worrying, I just, like, have been blinking a lot recently. But yeah, so there's your 10 seconds to resistance. Cool, yeah. And you got your jump height. Boing! Need to get the robot some allergy meds. Yeah, got Claritin. Should use that more. Probably should blink more TBH, yeah. I also... I think I might know what it is. It's that the fucking estrogen's been making us cry so much. We're constantly, like... We constantly have dry eyes. Right then, yeah, there's your few seconds of night vision. Yeah. Have you tried playing RLCraft? I have not. It does not think it. I don't know if it feels like my sort of thing. Yeah, I've. In Cookfish, you could increase swim speed, maybe. Is that a. Is. Dolphin's Grace, yeah, that is a thing you can do. Shit. One bit it's hard, yeah. I just don't know if it'd be hard in the, way that I would enjoy. Cooked cod is 5.6. Okay. Yeah, 5.6, and cooked salmon is 6.8. And you? Not dog friendly, okay. I'll give it like just a bit more Dolphin's Grace as well. Make a new method that you can call for all the fish. I mean, the fish actually have different, I'm not gonna yeah, I don't think I want to tamper with, like, the pufferfish or ones that already have, like, status effects. Different stats, yeah. Trying to think of what bread would do in my mind just keeps slows you through for 3 seconds because bread's really good already. Maybe. We don't need to make everything have, like, an extra effect. Like, just the real question is, do you want, like, standard hunger mechanics to matter at all? And also, some food could have overlapping effects, yeah. Like, just rabbit stew will probably be a better version of the rabbit. Yeah, definitely got your swim speed up, like, watch when we run out. Yeah, you just start going a lot slower. Just following ideas, you're the mod makers, you have final say. I mean, I'm building this mod to your spec, and, like, I want to see what you think would be good. I can definitely, like, make tweaks if I feel they'd be better, but yeah. It's like, I'm writing it, but you're the one who requested it, so. Rabbit stew is 10.6. Alright, registry replacing these items because the effects part of the item is accessible. That's why there's a fabricate pad builder. I'm registry replacing because you can't modify a food component in something after making it, sadly. Let me just double check. Yeah, like, there's nothing for fabric to help with foods. At least that I'm aware of. The effects is part of, the thing about these is that they are set in the constructor of the item, so I have to registry replace because they're all just like registered as a regular, as like net Minecraft item. Saw Builder and thought it wasn't for Mojang. No, Builder is Mojang actually. New to the stream, and I have to say I love your voice. Thank you very much, Sky Lady Selena. I am very proud of my voice. Okay. So. Yeah, I kind of feel like we should mostly I want to focus mostly on, like, the quote-unquote bigger foods for having effects and such. I like it too. Is it approved yet? Please. Oh no, it's not approved. Boo. Need to work on mine soon. Yeah, voice is tough. The modulator actually is helping by, like, disguising some of the, like, bassier tones in mine. That's why I set it up the way I did. Voice training is great effect. Yeah, did I do one other than, just rabbits too? So... Started recently to try and have so much work to do, yeah. I think cutting carrots and gold amplifies effect. Not sure what berries should do. Yeah, not everything has to do something. I do really feel like some of the smaller foods should just stick. I have an idea. So... one issue we're gonna run into here is that we are... Should eating chicken give you feather falling? No. I should, like, just... One issue we're gonna run into here is we're making all these, like, super saturation... Or maybe not, because potions are annoying. I mean... could you have golden fish? I don't know. Well, that's good. Yeah, so, thing we're gonna need to think about here is we are adding... Like, just, we are making all this stuff that gives, like, a ton of hunger and saturation always edible. And that might fuck over, like... Actually, will it? I don't know. It feels like it might have a chance of, like, fucking over, like, health recovery and such. But, if I recall, saturation already caps out, so not really? Yeah, oh well, we can think about it. Add, like, more settings for, like, fancy stuff related to all of that at another point. I don't know what saturation is in this. Oh, chicken can't give you feather falling, but chicken could give you slow falling. Saturation is the... So you know how if you have full hunger that your health will refill super quick? That is a system called saturation. That's built into, like, vanilla Minecraft. It's basically a buffer of hunger that'll restore your health quicker. Okay, yeah. Chicken 6.6. Okay, yeah. It's the yellow border that apple skin shows, yeah. Otherwise we could add something that intentionally makes you hungry, yeah. Well, I mean, like, that would give rotten flesh a use, maybe. Yeah. That would give rotten flesh a use. Holy shit! Just need to make rotten flesh always edible. But it does that already. Yeah, no, exactly, like, just... Like, just, it already does it, so it would actually be useful if you want to give yourself hunger for buffs. So you can access buffs. Yeah. Oh my god. Did we just fix rotten flesh? Rotten flesh, are you, an always edible? You are not, okay. No, I should check in items, Is there anything else we need to keep in mind about... Oh, right, that has to be, yeah, I don't want to fuck up, the rabbit stew. There. Yeah, that should help. Could just make rotten flesh always edible and remove always edible from the other things. Yeah. It could be full hoot. Yeah, I think, like, we're gonna remove always edible from, like, basically everything except, like, the cookies, and give it to rotten flesh. I think as weak as it stands, yeah. I'm gonna make, I am gonna change rotten flesh to always give hunger, just because, like, hunger is something you want now. 4.1... its hunger is 600, and we'll do that, we'll do that hunger too. That's good limit. Yeah, so we're gonna make rotten flesh. Yeah. Okay, that's... Wow. I did not expect that to be the way it goes, but yeah. Excuse me. Hello? Okay, Oh, be nice, please. Gonna need to pop out for now. Let me do enjoy the rest of your night. See ya. How about short regen instead of instant health? Maybe. Okay. Who are you freaking out about? Ah. Right. Andy. Oh, it's because I already did it twice. Whoops. It's because I was doing it twice. Little things, yeah. This is going to. That does point out that this will have an issue. Namely, that anyone trying to test equality against. Okay, I'm. I like the song, yeah. It's by Osaka, one of the. Yeah, who's another really cool VTuber who I haven't checked out in a while. I should. Oh, I forgot to actually keep him to true. Whoops. Oh. Where the fuck did all my items go? Where was I? God. Yeah, are you on peaceful, difficulty, or easy? Those affect hunger rates. I'm on normal. It's just that I've given myself so much saturation with the always edible stuff. There they are. Oh, sorry. No, it's okay. Yeah, I'm just like... I'm just trying to think about if this is the way I want to go with this. Didn't even know saturation was a thing. It's okay. You're alright. No, not much more to write about it. Yeah. It's a weird system. Good being late where I am. See ya! Good having you here. Drops rotten flesh. To be said, Minecraft zombie, how humble. Yeah. Yeah, so that's the issue with... also, I'm definitely thinking uncooked foods can be cooked. Have the uncooked version do nothing, yeah. I'm trying to think about if this... I don't know if there's a better way to go about this, and I don't like it. I could just... Food components is in that Minecraft item. Where is it? Food components. Show bytecode. Definitely. Yeah, I'm sorry that my model is losing tracking so much tonight. I have no idea what's going on with it. Okay, maybe it's extra dark? No, I've got my lights on, and, like, the, face tracking camera doesn't care about brightness. This should work. Oh, yeah, I'm just gonna mix in food components like this. Mutton, beetroot soup could all make you deal more damage for a bit. There's potion effect that gives you damage resist. That is resistance. I've got that, so... This'll work. Hooray for things that aren't registered, that I can just fuck with. Potatoes could also make you hardy or something. What do you mean by hardy? Like, just taking less damage, or...? I should be given absorption. Yeah. Yeah, taking less damage. So, yeah, that is resistance, which we've put on cooked beef already, and we can maybe put on potatoes too, but, like, not as much. Guess I'm equating hardiness with giving you damage resist, yeah. General goal of the mod is just give me a reason to have a diverse farm of food instead of making a billion bread, yeah. What are we doing now? Sounds awesome, yeah. I keep forgetting. Public static food component rabbit stew equals there. Then we can do cooked cod. Public static food component. And cooked salmon. I can like sort these later, but yeah. Final nullable public static food component cooked salmon equals boop. And cooked chicken. There. I think that's all the ones from here done, so... flesh, cookie, beef, pie, rabbit stew, cod, salmon, chicken, yeah. Mushroom soup makes nearby getting glowing status. That is sad. I wish that was doable. That would be, quite difficult, I'm afraid. Understandable, yeah. Like, just because, nearby ores are sadly, like, blocks, so they can't be given, like, components. True. Could make enemy mobs glow though, yeah. Not really, because you can't actually, you could, but then everyone around you would see that, and just wouldn't really work either. I wish there was a way, I wish there was a, like, built-in status effect that just gave you, like, vision through walls instead of just making others, instead of, like, making things for glowy for everyone else. Yeah, Night Vision 3 activate. Alright, 10-second advanced mod for someone else to make, yeah. How long was the resistance? Alright, let's try again. The crush mod adds flippers, rollerblades, ice skates, and Nordic skis, inspired by Cafe Neptune discussion. Maybe? Motion is... I don't get player movement, and I'm not sure I want to. Managed that Mala tried to mess with gravity, yeah. Speaking from experience, player control stuff is hard. No idea how hard Minecraft would be able to edit, yeah. I could theoretically do it, but I don't wanna. Sorry. What'd I just add? Why'd I put it on a plain potato instead of a baked one? Wait, oh dear. Is this working? I hope it's actually working. Edit configs, oh no, One inspired 113 swimming. I removed one on Forge a while ago. Would it be OP if fairies gave half a heart of instant healing or maybe 2 seconds regen? I don't think it'd be OP. Sorry, I need to, Sorry, I need to make sure that this is actually working, because if it's not, then I'm not sure what I'm gonna... Let me know if I'm overwhelming you. I've just run into a major issue in the fact that the way I'm trying to do this to make it not break might not be working. And if it's not working, that's a very bad thing. Like, I can't eat cookies right now. Mixing, like, just whatever I'm doing isn't working, and I need to fix that before I can do anything else. I'd have to replace the fields and items Java. Maybe I don't want to. That would be very difficult because of load order shenanigans. Fuck. Bad idea then. Out of context, so I can't eat cookies right now. I need to fix that. Oh, I found the one I'm supposed to put it in. No, let me... It's protector or something. Be easier to place the food component on the original app. That's what I'm trying to do! That's what I'm trying to do! Like, is replacing the references for the food components, but it's not working! And I'm trying to figure out why. Alright, class. Minecraft. Item. FMJ. If it's just that I if it's literally just that I mangled a key in the fucking fabric mod JSON, I'm gonna laugh. If it was a one character typo that made me assume something wrong, and that's why it's not working, I'm gonna fucking laugh. Oh my god! It is! It is! It fucking is! It was literally just a single flag! Oh, fuck me! Ooh, thank you for the blocks. There's some blocks, and a hydrate. Does hunger not work at levels above, like, regular hunger? There. If I had apple skin on, that would be nice, but I don't know how to get it into a dev env. I was mining Skyrim recently and in doing investigation as to which mod wouldn't let me launch the game. Tested so many things, added content, work gameplay. It was the mod that gives merchants 2,000 extra gold. That's the one that wasn't happy. I was so fucking annoyed and baffled. Programming is bad. It's always been bad. It always will be bad. It's a fucking nightmare. I'm gonna be entirely honest. I'm gonna need to make rotten flesh less helpful in order to make it more helpful strategically. Yeah. So, you're going to go down to 0F, saturation, 1 hunger. Alright, look at this beautiful fucking goddamn, incredible object-oriented programming. Oh, it should care about the amplifier. I guess it was just giving me too much saturation. Appskin is a release, but not a Gradle dependency section. Yeah. I'm actually gonna upgrade the hunger on this to bigger. You could put a dev jar in the execution Folders, mods folder. Yeah, but I'm lazy. What are you complaining about? Ah. Oh, I should mark it as final here is what it wants. Okay. There, I can just get rid of some of the log spam. Oh. There. Now, if you say have like cooked chicken. Actually, will this be to add to the game, by the way, because I'm garbage at modding? This will be... Luckily, it is really easy to add, like, mods to Minecraft nowadays. Okay, let's see. Still takes like a full minute to get it possible to eat food, like to bring you low enough to eat food again if you have like just a big saturating thing right then. Oh well. I'll think about it. But the pronouns are still she. Oh, my other computer should. Is Phil asking how long it'll take to get working well? Lemma prefers it now. Simple asking how hard it'd be download to use mod. Oh, it is pretty easy nowadays, luckily. Morning, Lemma. Hello, Nikki. Nice to see you. And yeah, Alicia, I prefer it primarily at the moment. I love it. If you beep. Yeah. It's right. I could. Did you see my head make ready? Is it nice? I'm just gonna do the stupid thing. And it's gives me massive ginger for a same. That's why I use it. Yeah, that's why I use them. Ah. Keep saying fake to me, so I'll mostly call it Lemma. Yeah. That makes sense, Captain. Okay. Has this been a good idea? Yes, okay. Oh, that is shredding food. If I ate rotten flesh, I simply wouldn't become hungry. I mean, it's disgusting! You're gonna throw that shit up! And that's gonna empty your stomach the fuck out. You can't prove it. Yeah, it's a yummy treat. It's economical, like ramen. It's about good as it too. Strategically eating rotten flesh to eat more food. Yeah, like... Confirmed food poisoning exists, yeah. Big goofs, yeah. And of course, like, if you're in active combat, like, you might not need rotten flesh. Yeah. If you're using, like, a lot of cookies and shit to get around, it might be helpful. Right, let me actually check over in food components. Are cookies a snack? Cookie. No, let's fix that. Hope one of your mods gets popular. Thank you! So sweet berries, okay. Snack needs quick to eat, I eat dry kelp. Yeah, I know. Yeah, oh, you're answering Alicia, yeah. Cookies are quick to eat. Well, I'm gonna make them quicker. Alright, there, that should be the sweet berries ones. Double snack. Cookies are quick to eat, or they should be, yeah. Ah. Right. So, yeah, now you eat cookies a lot quicker, yay. Don't mind me, just need a little bit of drowning. Double snack. There, that should be good. Let's see. Yeah. let me just double check how regen works. Maybe I need to put it to like 15 to make it consistent? Status effect. Apply update effect. Can apply. So it's 25 for one, but bit shifted by the 12 and a half. Why are you bit shift Mojang? I'm looking like beep. Beep. Oh, I had regen 3 on. How much does instant health do per level again? So 4 is the default. Yeah, too much. Trying to figure out what apples to do since they're sort of random drop. Maybe they should give you a bit of luck? Since they take some luck to get in the first place? Maybe. So... seriously, what the... oh, it's... amplifier starts at 0, right. So, 25 ticks for... 30 ticks? Will that hit it twice? Hopefully. Shit's weird. Do we have a food that gives you haste yet? I haven't added one. Oh, we talked about one, but I don't remember if we actually decided on one. Hello? Excuse me? Okay, we're back. No idea why it just fucking froze for a second there. Should sugarcane be a snack? Rapidly winking llama. Sorry, I'm trying to, like, not do it as much. Just, I can't help it. That's good. Okay. So... oh, that's why I gave 2, because I tapped out. Okay. Are the berries working? Yeah, somewhat? Just drink more and blink more, yeah. berries seem to be working. Okay, yeah. They give. Yeah, they give pretty much exactly 2 hearts. Good. Yeah. What else could we do? Maybe dried kelp for haste or something? Or, The issue with haste is that it's something you want for like a while, so you don't have to interrupt yourself while building. I didn't know how well haste would work with this, honestly. 5.6 effort. Understandable, yeah. Just like if they're all meant to be like small buffs. I think at least for now I've got like enough to like put into a commit. Starting to get a bit tired, so I think I'm gonna call the stream here for now. Yeah. Like how one of the tag is just baked potato. Hey, something from cat, something from a cat, something fast, something from a cat. Yeah. Let's head over to chatting for now. Alright. Well. Who is going right now? Yeah. Thank you very much for the mod request, Alicia. I've got a lot of it done and I'm really happy. Hey, who's live? So, Nikki is live, still doing the re-debut. My one, I was over there earlier. Presentation as a VTuber is so perfect. Oh, how do you mean? Yeah. So, there's like, excited for the research table next time I reach 10K. Yeah. Yeah, what do you mean, like, presentation as a VTuber? Let's see, so, Leaflet, Toriyama, M. Lapis, Fake Apes, Lollipie, Picky, ooh! Notori's live! I haven't rated Notori, like, yourself in forever! Yeah, we've got all these wonderful graphics and animations, and this voice and face are getting just really good. Oh, thank you. You're from branding team? Yeah, I've put a lot of work into it. Yeah, I kind of want to go raid Notori tonight, so... Oh, yeah, before we go, I do want to show off one more thing. I got some things. Where are they? Emotes. Yeah, it shows, yeah. So, check this out. Check this out. Look at this amazing emote. This is, I commissioned a set of 6 emotes, and they've come in and they're all amazing. Is that a new lemma blush? No, this is a, like, melt from happiness instead of, like, being embarrassed. Yeah. I have added this one, and hopefully it'll get approved soon. And I will be adding the rest of them on, when I do my re-debut, because they would spoil the outfit. Yeah. Thank you all very much for joining in today. I think we should get ready to go raid Notori. New outfit. Yeah, no, that's what my re-debut is going to be on March 8th at 7 p.m. PST as usual. I'm going to be doing a re-debut with my new outfit. I'm gonna be in VR. We're gonna do a Q&A. Gonna play some games. Might be a long stream if I'm up for it. Gonna be fun. So got a sort of Pokemon Gym Leader style icon on it. Yeah, you'll see. Yeah, we're gonna go with this. And let's get raiding. Alright, well. Thank you all so very, very much for watching tonight. Tomorrow I'm going to be working more on Soul and Silicon, my Yuri Game Boy Color dating sim, which I'm really excited for. It's going to be really cool. Thank you for dealing with my weird ideas, by the way. It's okay. Why is it saying... I'm going to try and redo that again because it said 0 viewers were ready to raid, and that's not good. Let's, just get this, all working, raid channel. But kinda had to raid work fine. Okay, yeah, well, let's try it again then. Hopefully the raid will work just fine. Thank you all so very much for joining in and watching. Had a lot of fun. As I said, tomorrow will be more work on Soul and Silicon. Then on Saturday I'm going to do more work on Minecraft modding. When you get over to Notori's channel, please do not forget to toss her a follow because she's super sweet and great and lovely. And click on her profile icon twice so that your view can count for Path to Partner. Yeah, thank you all so very much for joining in. Thank you for the new follows I've gotten tonight. Thank you all for just hanging out. I've really appreciated it. And let's send y'all over in 5, 4, 3, 2, 1. See you soon!